For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with the finalists of the hackathon through video conferencing. The event was organized by the Education Ministry's All India Council for Technical Education, Persistent Systems and I4C. The hackathon is a nationwide initiative to provide students with a platform to solve some of the pressing problems people face every day. Students from various colleges across the country participated in the hackathon. The first round of Smart India Hackathon 2020 saw participation of more than 4.5 lakh students. The Prime Minister, who addressed the finalists, congratulated the students for their participation. In his address, he stressed on the quality of education in India.
अब बहुत ज्यादा जोर दिया जा रहा है क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन पर। 21वीं सदी की टेक्नोलॉजी को साथ लेकर 21वीं सदी की जरूरतों को पूरा करने वाली एजुकेशन सिस्टम भी उतनी ही जरूरी है।
Speaking about the national education policy, he said that NEP caters to aspirations of 21st century youth. Remember, India got a new education policy after over 34 years. He said the new education policy was devised after consulting experts for over 5 years.
साथियों, इस कड़ी में कुछ दिन पहले देश की नई एजुकेशन पॉलिसी का ऐलान किया गया है। ये पॉलिसी 21वीं सदी के नौजवानों की सोच, उनकी जरूरतें, उनकी आशाओं, अपेक्षाओं और आकांक्षाओं को देखते हुए बनाने का व्यापक प्रयास हुआ है। 5 वर्ष तक देश भर में इसके हर बिंदु पर व्यापक डिबेट और डिस्कशन हुए।
He urged the youth of the country to constantly learn, question and solve.
I want you and youngsters like you not to stop doing 3 things: learning, questioning, solving. When you learn, you get the wisdom to question. When you question, you get out of the box methods to solve problems. When you do that, you grow. Due to your effort, our nation grows.
Talking further about the national education policy, he said that the NEP is more people-centric and future-centric than process-centric.
India's national education policy reflects this spirit. We are shifting from the burden of the school bag, which does not last beyond school, to the boon of learning, which helps for life. From simply memorizing to critical thinking.
At the event, people from various colleges across the country interacted with PM and discussed their innovative ideas with the Prime Minister.